Hey everyone, welcome back to our Dart and Flutter tutorial series. In the previous video, we learned about static, final, and constant in Dart. Today, we will learn enum in Dart, a powerful way to represent fixed set of values in a clean and readable way. Enums are used a lot in Flutter apps for stats, roles, themes, and status handling. Let's start. So first of all, what is enum? An enum, short for enumeration, is a special type used to define a fixed number of constant values. Okay, so we simple create a enum, enum keywords, status. Inside, we assign our status like pending, approved, and rejected. Okay, so this is our enum status. Okay, only these values allowed. Prevents invalid data, improves readability. Okay, so it is used for this purpose. Okay. Why use enums? Enums help us like to avoid magic strings. Magic string in case this is the access like pending, approved. In case we forget, in some case we write like approved. So this is two different things. This is approved. This is another. It's a simple thing. Okay, so this is main disadvantage if we use as a string. Okay. Avoid magic string, write safer code, improve readability, and stats clearly, reduce bugs. Okay, so this is how we use it. Okay, so we create a simple status in a now we have to we use it. Okay, okay, so this is simple things. See what we do, we get a status of pending. Okay, again in our status we get. Then we use switch case to perform a print log based on its status. Okay, so we simply save and run it. Okay, see the status is pending means we get a pending status in a move. So it show the status is pending. Now we change it to approved. Okay, then save and run. So this is status is approved. So now is this log print. Okay, same as rejected. Okay, in case this is the our main things, we declare enums. Okay, using enum keyword, then name in curly brackets we declare our enums variables name. Okay, like pending, approve, reject. Okay, then when need to call we create assign a specific status with variable name and its status value like status dot approve. See, you can see all the statuses like approved, pending, and rejected. Okay, these are simple things. Okay, okay, so here we are checking here its status and printing. Okay, so this is clean, safe, and no default needed. Compare checks. Okay, now we move to its properties. Okay, so first of all we remove everything. Okay, create another enum like enum user role. Okay, inside admin, user, and guest. Okay, so we created three roles called user role. Okay, inside main method we print user role admin dot name. Okay, and one we use index. Okay, then we save. See what is written in name. See is written string. String is we use admin to convert admin is string, then written in name parameter. Then what index written is written a way indexing of its name. Okay, so admin is a zero index, so it written zero. Okay, name inquire you can use as a string value and index is represent a position. Okay, now we move to the enums with methods. Okay, like we remove here, create another enum order status. Okay, inside created pending shipped delivered and cancel. Okay, so this is our or enums, okay, of order status, okay, variables. Yeah. Now we create a method string get message. Okay, inside we use switch case, like here see simple example here. See, okay, okay, see, you can see this is our get message. Okay, we use property for creator getter. Okay, and now we call it in our main function like print order status dot with status, okay, shipped, then dot message. Okay, so here you see your order has been shipped. What it's do? Simple. It's order status go to the here, then check shipped which variable or enum we use like pending, shipped, delivered or cancelled. Okay, then we call a dot message. Okay, this method getter inside here you see switch in use this. This means current active this one. Okay, so current what is active? Okay, shipped. Then is go to the this case and print your order has been shipped. Okay, so this is logic inside enum very clean code. Okay, so this is this. Okay, you can also know the simple things in a discipline. In Flutter, their meaning in real time. Okay, it's like first of all, what enum use like enum theme mode, light and dark. Okay, so this is by default created a theme mode in Flutter like that and dark. Okay, so this is in use for themes, state management, UI condition. Okay, okay. In the next video, we will learn about exception handling in Dart. How to handle errors gracefully. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.